How to trade Forex on Plus500. To trade Forex on Plus500, start by creating an account on their official website or app and completing the required identity verification. Once verified, deposit funds using your preferred payment method such as a debit card, bank transfer, or e-wallet. You can begin with a demo account if you'd like to practice first. After funding your account, navigate to the Forex section of the platform to browse available currency pairs. When you find a pair you'd like to trade, you can open a position by deciding whether to buy, if you believe the base currency will rise, or sell, if you think it will fall. You'll then choose how much to trade and can set optional tools like stop loss and take profit to manage your risk. The platform allows leverage trading, so it's important to monitor your trades closely and understand the risks involved. Thanks for watching.